balloon with yeast. So first you fill up about quarter to a third of a normal sized bottle with warm water. Then you put 2 teaspoons of yeast in. Then you give it a quick mix together. And then you do a teaspoon of sugar. And then you shake it all together. And now you stretch out the balloon a little bit and put it over the bottle. And now you put it in a warm spot and leave it to rest, and it'll start to blow up.
So today me and Emma will be doing an experiment called Fizzy Mentos. So first you put 5 scoops of baking soda. And then you put 1/4 of a cup of vinegar. And you add the Mentos in.
Okay, so the girls have used a red drink rather than Coca-Cola and creaming soda. So I can see though it says sugar-free. Do you think that's going to cause a difference to the experiment that we know with Coca-Cola?
Yes.
And why, perhaps?
Because it doesn't have any sugar.
Because maybe it doesn't have any sugar. What does it tell you about Coca-Cola then?
Because like the sugar, there's a lot of sugar in it, so it helps it like rise up.
All right. So has that risen at all, girls?
Yes. It rose. It was
And then
bubbling.
just so a little bit. Okay, so we're going to now try the one with Coke and see if there's any difference.
Our experiment is the Coca-Cola one.
A bottle of Coke is full of carbon dioxide, the bubbles. The bubbles stay suspended in the liquid until the bottle is opened.
If you drop any sort of thing into a bottle of soda, bubbles form on the surface of the object. This is called nucleation.
Okay, so we drop the Mentos to the bottom of the bottle, forming lots and lots of bubbles on this pitted surface along the way.
When all of this gas is released, it forces up and out of the bottle in a giant whooshing geyser of sticky soda.
So is it still moving around now?
No, it's kind of.
It still is a little bit. And you only used half a Mentos as well, correct?
I don't want to know what happened.
Okay, so that's good. No, well, the thing is it would still just go up and then over the sides like a volcano. Correct.
So we're going to be making a lava lamp without using alkalizer. Yes. So first you need to put a good amount of oil into a bottle.
When you're doing something, hold both bottles so that they don't slip. Don't worry about that.
Okay, so next we need to put some salt.
So what does the salt do?
So the salt kind of replaces the
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer
Mm-hmm.
and actually builds it up together.
Mm-hmm.
So next we need to put a few drops of food coloring. Okay, so now we need to shake them. And it should work. It should work.
Okay, so why isn't it working, do you think? Do you have any idea why it's not working? All right, let's listen to a few other people. So why do you think, Jack?
Because before I was looking at it and when they didn't shake it, there was kind of warmth coming out. So maybe if they didn't shake it, it would work.
Okay, so maybe without shaking it. What else? What do you think? Charlie?
Not enough oil.
Not enough oil? Okay.
I think you should put some water because it's not that much in there.
Right, so remember the one that we did the other day? Did they just have oil? Wasn't there water as well? Because remember that the food colouring had to move through the water and the oil and maybe the salt. So where did we get this experiment from?
Just from and from Google, so it was like a website.
And did it say to shake it?
Yeah.
All right, so what does this show though? What does this show what's happened here? Madison? Oh, yes, but what else about experiments? They don't always work. So that's how people invent things, because they do it by trial and error. Yeah, or it can be an accidental invention like the story that you did the other day. Correct. So still a good experiment. All right, but we learnt something that one wasn't actually as successful as you would have liked it to be.
Well, I think if we add some water, because there's some bubbles building up at the bottom.
I think if you hadn't shaken as well, if you let it rest, we'll have another look at it after. Okay?
Which item do you think will hit the ground first, the piece of paper or the shoe? The shoe. Paper.
Why?
Because the shoe is heavy.
I don't think they hit the ground at the exact same time. Because that gravity acts at the same time. That's something you can know. Gravity acts at the same time. So if they're the same height and they're dropped at the same time, they will land at the same time.
So, Ben, if we had a leaf and a shoe, which one would land first?
The shoe.
And why would that be?
Because there's not just because there's only the force of gravity on the shoe, but on the leaf there's other forces that come into play, not just gravity.
So first
Well, we're going to make a fizzy inflator, and first you put fill up the bottle halfway with vinegar. Then next you get the balloon and stretch it a couple of times. Then you put it on the funnel. Then you put some baking soda in the balloon halfway. Then you take it off the funnel. Then you have to put the balloon over the bottle without tipping any baking soda in. Then you just let the balloon go and it will blow up.
And why does this happen, Josh?
Because the vinegar and the baking soda mix up together, and then they evaporate and then just go up.
So Tristan, have you got anything to add to that?
Maybe because it starts a reaction or something.
Okay, so it's a reaction with the vinegar and the baking soda.
Makes it inflator.
Okay.
Making sherbet, and first you put in a teaspoon of citric acid. Then you put in 2 teaspoons of jelly crystals. Then you put in 3 teaspoons of icing sugar. Then you mix